Now let's drive the relation for finding the formula for the angles between two lines when the lines are in the general form. Okay. Now let the lines in general form be a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, 1 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. Now let m1 and m2 be the slope of the given lines 1 and 2 respectively, and we know how to find the slope directly. Okay. So now we can directly write it, m1 is equal to negative of a1 upon b1 and m2 is equal to negative of a2 upon b2. Now, if theta be the angle, between the given lines, then tan theta is equal to plus minus negative of a1 upon b1 minus negative of a2 upon b2 upon 1 plus negative of a1 upon b1 negative of a2 upon b2. Now what I have used here tan theta. We have already done when slopes are given to us, m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Okay. So on solving, what we are getting? On solving, tan theta is equal to, now, a2 b1 minus a1 b2 upon a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Is it clear? So in many books you will find this as a first term, this as a second. It hardly matters because now we are having the absolute value. Okay. Or we can write it, theta is equal to tan inverse a2 b1 minus a1 b2 upon a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Okay. So this is the required formula. Now one case arises here. After writing the formula, now this is the formula, you can use this formula, you can use this formula. Now one case arises, that is called case of failure. Okay. Now that is case of failure. Now what this means? Now we are having two formulas. Number one, we can directly find the slope in the normal form, and then we can write the formula, or we can find the slope in the general form and then we can proceed. But where it fails, okay, now just look at the formula tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2 fails when fails when the line means any one of the line, okay, I am just correcting it. When, let me write it, when one of the line is parallel to y axis, that is, if we are having x is equal to a, if any of the line we are having x is equal to a, then what the slope will be? Then slope will be undefined. Normally we are using this symbol for it. Then the slope will be undefined. Here our formula fails. Now which formula? This formula. Okay, this formula fails. So we in this case will use, okay, in this case always we are using tan theta is equal to a2 b1 minus a1 b2 upon a1 plus a1 a2 plus b1 b2. So always we are using this formula for it. Is it clear?